So David, in the hotel business, you like to say there's owners and there's victims. What do you mean by that?
Ownership and being a victim is really a simple distinction. So really the language of the owner or the victim is where you kind of want to start to figure out what's going on. But victims typically complain a lot, and they really, if you listen to what they're complaining about, you'll detect that they really see that all the power to solve any problem is outside of them. So a simple distinction on the language would be, from an owner you'll hear, I will. And from a victim you'll hear, I should. You know, when it comes to financial leadership in hotels, you want to have owners because you know, being a victim and not being able to get your forecast done or get your information together because someone else didn't do what they're supposed to, or because the computer system wasn't working, or you'll hear a myriad of excuses. That's a real killer when it comes to creating financial leadership. So you want to really stack your team with owners. Ownership is an essential ingredient to having an effective leadership team in any organization. It's only a habit, actually, being a victim. So you can change your habit. We want to surround ourselves with owners, and we ourselves want to be owners in our careers and in our own lives. So that's the bottom line. Be an owner.